So much of what I call hallmark branded teaching, that there's the kind of the real gritty work of teaching, and then there's what they show you on the Hallmark Channel, or what they show you, in Michelle Pfeiffer movies, or Hilary Swank movies. And I think that we, as a profession, have really subscribed to this hallmark brand of teaching, where we say things like, "Oh, I believe the children of the future," and love the kids, and all those things are really, really beautiful statements of ideal. But I think they undermine our work. And so we say things like we believe the children of the future, but then we engage in teaching that is all monologue. So I've got an adult at the front of the room pontificating. And if we truly believe the kids of the future, then we believe that they have the answers, and it's our job to help them to really, like, amplify those. And so one of the things that I've been thinking about is my pedagogy itself, that how much of the teaching and learning that happens in the classroom is my voice, and how much of it is kid voice. And one of the things that we know that is often said in education is the person doing the most talking is doing the most learning. And so one of the things that I've been thinking lots about in a very simple way is, how do I design pedagogy, classroom practice, that puts the intellectual labor in the hands of the children? That if I'm standing in the front of the room doing all the intellectual labor and people are passively listening to me, then no learning is occurring. That's indoctrination. But I think, when we hand power to kids in this way, one of the things that means, that for me, is I've got to decenter myself. That so much of teaching has become this kind of cult of personality about the teacher, and really it has to be about the community of kids that I'm serving. And so I'm really interested in, again, to answer the question in really specific ways, of moving from this, like, teacher monologue to authentic dialogue, where we are engaging with children about crafting sustainable futures for them.